It has a decent little sound to it. Give you guys a couple revs here. Back. It's back, baby. The 1100 is back, all fixed up.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are all set here with the CBR1000 Repsol edition. I dropped the battery down in the bike. As you saw over here, what I did on the hood of my truck here was I showed you that battery tip, and now the battery with that tape is inside the bike. So hopefully, fingers crossed, that nut dropping down into the bike issue never happens to me again. So again, thank you, Doug, my co-worker. Thank you, Bela at Rider's Choice, where the bike is about to go right now, but I'll tell you guys that on the ride there. But first off, this is the first startup video for 2021 riding season for the CBR1000 RR. So hopefully this goes very well. Got the seat cowl on here, so I showed you guys. Very simple install here. Looks very nice on the bike, nice and flat. Makes the bike pop a little bit more rather than having the double black seat there, but I think it looks really good on the back of that tail. And again, this bike's name is Bittersweet. I have never named a bike or a vehicle of mine before in my entire life, but if you're new to the channel, go back and watch all of the videos and you will understand why I call this bike Bittersweet. And this is my first bike that I've ever named. But again, that seat cowl looks awesome back there. Very nice profile on this bike. So without further ado, let's get this startup started so I can get out of here, do some riding a little bit, and take this bike up to Rider's Choice. right up there. Peace.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.